Hot head, please.
He likes that. Yeah.
Take this. Put inside all the way down.
Okay.
Deep. Full.
Okay. Okay.
And measure on here. See?
Okay. All right. Um,
Cut two pieces same size.
okay.
Nice boy.
He is.
And now wrap it this. When you come end, then twist it.
Okay. Okay.
That way you have sticky side outside. See?
Right. Okay. Sticky side outside. And what's the name of that tape?
Zonus tape.
Zonus.
It's
Zonus.
like surgical tape.
Johnson baby Zonus tape.
Baby Zonus tape.
It's a surgical tape.
And the sticky side is up on outside.
Yeah. That's
Come end, twist,
Mm-hmm.
and go like that. Now hold me his head good, okay?
Okay.
You gotta hold the whole head.
This you need to put all the way deep down.
Okay.
When you put down, then press ear up
Okay.
and press everything together.
Okay.
And hold.
Okay.
And put tape here. Okay. And roll it around.
Okay.
Don't push nothing. It's very soft.
Okay.
See? Hold that. See?
Okay.
Put it loose. When somebody put hard, then go in difficult.
Settle. 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 Settle.
Now, you see everything loose?
Yes.
Now press by hand like this.
Okay. Settle. Okay. Okay. Settle.
Now we make second one.
Okay. Settle. 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 Okay. Settle.
Now hold head good, okay? Now we need to make bridge.
Okay. Settle. Settle. Settle.
You look straight, then you close. Okay?
Settle.
Okay. After 5 days, take out morning,
Okay.
clean everything, and then evening time put again.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If buying case, he starts shaking head,
Yeah.
you need to take out.
Okay. If he starts shaking his head, take it out.
Yeah, like if not evening time again still shaking, or tomorrow start, or day after start, you need to take out.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I have this? Thanks a lot, my friend. I'll buy this from home.